this is RC back again, and today I'm here with another recipe which is very healthy and you can make it in minutes with the ingredients available in your house. It's called Pineapple Delight. I'm making it with semolina, suji, but you can make it with moong dal. Just powdered it and follow the same recipe, and it's not very sweet also, and you can use it for Rakhi tomorrow, and I'll call it Rakhi Special Semolina Pineapple Delight. Let's see the ingredients for Pineapple Delight. We are taking 1 cup semolina, 3/4 cup jaggery, some dried fruits like raisins, apricots, plums and blueberries, 1 cup chopped pineapple. It has to be sweet. If it's not sweet, you can take the canned one and throw the syrup. Some dried fruits, almonds, coconut flakes and sunflower seeds. It's optional, you can choose any dry fruits. Some ghee or clarified butter and water. Water has to be, if you are taking 1 cup semolina, water has to be 2 cups, double of it. We are going to dry roast semolina. I am roasting it in the microwave for 2 minutes, then 1 minute plus 1 minute, so total 4 minutes. You can even dry roast it in the pan. In the microwave for 2 minutes first. It's already 2 minutes. Take it out. Not very hot because it's only 2 minutes. Just stir it, mix it well. It's mixed well now. We are going to keep it again for 1 minute, then again for 1 minute. 3 minutes, tray is hot, so I am stirring it here only, mixing it inside the oven. Mix it well. Now again for 1 minute, we are going to microwave. By the time our semolina is getting ready, let's do some other preparations. Switch on the gas stove on low flame. We're going to add ghee. Half a cup is enough if semolina is 1 cup. This is more than enough. First of all, we are going to fry the nuts here. Mix it well. After adding semolina, if you feel more ghee is needed, then you can add some more. Nuts are ready. Now we can add semolina in this. Our semolina is roasted well in the microwave. I added it here. Mix it again. This one is making so much of noise for my video, so I better change it to wooden or heat proof ladle. Keep stirring it. It will take another 2-3 minutes for suji to be roasted because we have already roasted it in the microwave. At this stage we will add the pineapple first. Keep mixing it, keep stirring it. Pineapple is little softened. Now we are going to add jaggery. Jaggery is added. That's it. Now it's time to add water. 1 cup. 1 more cup. I have chopped the apricots and plums also. Raisins are as it is. Now I'll add this also. Keep stirring it till the time it gets dried. it has started bubbling up, and it's giving a very good aroma to me, and it's looking so tempting. So let's wait for another few minutes to get it dry. Now this is the right consistency. You can see even it has started leaving the butter. You can see the ghee here. Not sticky anymore. You can easily remove it from the sides of the pan. Our halwa is done. The light is done. We can switch off the gas stove. This actually I made it for Rakhi tomorrow. Tomorrow is the Rakhi festival, where sisters tie a sacred thread to their brothers. Pineapple pudding delight is done. This is the same tray where I roasted the semolina. So I am going to put it into the tray. It's already in the tray. We are just going to flatten it up. See how lovely it looks. I'm sure it's going to taste also very well. I have some silver eatable foil which we can put it on the sweets. So I'm going to top up with it. If you don't want to put, perfectly fine. Our pineapple delight is ready to be served. If you want, you can make small cubes out of it. Done with the plating of it, and I'm sure one piece is not enough. Of course, you are going to eat more than one. So friends, see, it's ready and ready to be tasted. I have taken 2 big slices. Let's see how it tastes. It's really good, must try it, and I'm sure you will really like it. Challenge for all sisters to make for their brothers. Must enjoy. Have a great time. Bye bye.